Mr. Dingus is on the phone.
Who?
Mr. Dingus.
What's that dumbass want now?
Dad?
He heard that. Oh, fuck me! Oh, fuck me! I said fuck me! Where'd you get all this shit?
We got it from Amazon.
Is that that big black woman you work with?
No, Dad. Amazon.com.
Never heard of her.
What's your biggest fear?
I'm not afraid of shit! Except snakes. I was told I was gonna have showtime! Free! For the first 3 damn months! I was charged for the second goddamn fucking month in a row! By the way, you cocksuck bastards! What the bull fucking hell? This is a franchise fee of $4.62 damn cents! I am pissed! If I don't get a full refund, I'm gonna take it to small claims court and take my business to Comcast! And once you see my dick, you won't want it! Ah, shit! Fuck! Horse manure! This is the second time I've been fucked by Dairy Queen! I could shit a better Kool-Aid commercial! Oh yeah! The Macho Man's gonna eat your ass! Oh yeah! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Okay, where were you born?
Last time I gave a shit, I got fucked! Oh shit! Oh fuck!
So that gets you to town?
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck your ass! There's a paper towel!
You're over here, Dad, in this bag.
Go over here! Out! Motherfucker, you been a dick!
Sorry.
You like one hard! I mean this thing, not my dick! Where's my pants? Where's my pants? Where's my pants? Where's my pants? Where's my damn pants? Where's my pants? Where's my goddamn pants? The hell was that?
I can't believe it just blew off the London Eye.
Well, quit it!